So hey guys, in this video we will create a show more, show less button with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create a new folder on my desktop and open it with Visual Studio Code. So I will use VS Code for this. And now in this folder I will create a index.html file and quickly put a boilerplate for the HTML, and in the body tag I will create a div, and in that div I will give a class container, and in that div I will give a heading, and now I will create a paragraph tag and just give it some text. And in this text I will create two spans. So the first one will be with id dots, and it will contain some dots, and the another one will contain the whole remaining text. So its id will be more text, and I will put the remaining text in that span. Now I will create a button whose id will be button, and in that button the name will be show more. And okay, we are ready. So I will open this with live server. So live server is an extension in Visual Studio Code. You can download it from here. So it will help you to open your HTML file in any web browser. So you can see here my HTML file is open. So you can see the output of the HTML file. So now in here I will add some style. So I'll just add the style tag, and in that I will first open the container div and give it a background color of aqua, and the text color will be something blue. Not a good combination, but still good. So now you can see here, it's changing, and now we will come to the button. So the button has an id of btn, and I will give it a color of black. I think black is the default color, so no need to give it a color. So I'll give it a background color. What should I give it? Violet? It's looking stupid. Is it better now? Okay. And now we will go to the spans. So the first span is dots, so I'll give the dots a display of none. You will get it when we will write the JavaScript for this. So you can see no dots are here, and I will rename this as show less, so that when you just click here, so it will remove this text. So I will just extend this text. So now it's looking good. And now we will write the script for this. So I will create a function, whose name will be something like anything, you can name it, and we will take the dot span and the more text span and the button span in a variable. So let me create a variable. So let dots is equal to document dot get element by id, and I will put the id of dots here. And next we will get the more text, so I'll name the variable more text and get it document dot get element by id, and its id is more text. And the third one will be the button, so I'll name it button and document dot get element by id btn. So now that's all, and now we will create if else loop, if else, and the condition will be dots dot style dot display equals to none if the dots are not there. So you have to change the display of dots to inline, and then also change the more text dot style dot display equals to none, and change the button text also. So for that we will go to the button variable dot inner html, and just take and give it show more, and in the else opposite of this. So I'll just paste it here, and inline none to inline, and show more to show less. So now let's go to our Chrome. So it's not working, so let's see what's the bug. Oh, so we have not added the on click function in our button tag, so we will add the on click. Go to the ds function. So now let's see, still not working. So I think we don't have to give the triple equal marks here, so I will remove this. Now let's see. Now you can see it's working. So if I click show more, so the dots are gone and the more text will come here. And if I click the show less button, then the dots will be there and the show more button will be there. So this is so easy. This is the basic JavaScript, and I also don't use the CSS that much for designing this whole thing. So if you press the show more, show less, it's working good, fine. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.